Sabrep. Mamaya na, pag netball. Number 11, pag 9.
Reklamador, magpapapicture kayo.
Number 19. Number
Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang to.
3, won by jersey number 3.
Ang promotion ni ko.
Hello. June 14. Wag high blood tayo. Number 11. Good shot by jersey number 11. Ang ganda nun. Ay. Number 19. Number 3. Ganun pa rin. Try pa ikot.
Secret.
Good shot by jersey number 3. Ate Harley, yung mga good shot.
Ay, wait lang.
Number 10. Wala pa rin. Kinukuha yung number 3 kanina. Ayan na, iikot pa naman. Keke. Goal! Ay, wala. Number 11. Walang. Number 19.
Ano naman? Ha?
Number 18. Okay, time out. Team Boracay.
30 seconds remaining time for half quarter.
Shout out sa mga gutom na kumakain ngayon. All players invited po sa birthday. Magpapakain si Brian. Sila ang panalo. Kaya uulan ng igalo mamaya. Okay, number 11, number 30, number 11 again, number 30. Number 3. Inulan ng tres. Si jersey number 3.
10 seconds remaining time. Going 5.
Official score, 25-23 in favor of defense. Defense to be defense. Ang sarap ng tuna by Pabora. Wala. Yung mga malaklo ng KFC, baldado. Ate Farlene, ano pong decision natin sa ating third player? Third game. Game pala. Third game, sorry. Anonymous decision. Sayang naman ang Team Silbo. Hirap na hirap, nanungkit. Hindi mayano yung uniform ng Dunis. Gamitin daw sa championship. Oh, makaganda pa man din ng uniform ng Dunis. May truck sa harap. Oh. Number 10 to number 11. Number 11 to number 18. Siyempre, third quarter.
Set to shoot. Dilas, pinasakay, Christian, Tumiro, wala. Rebound back, Christian Torres. T-shirt yung board by Christian. Mark. Dribble the ball, pinasakay. Burgos, pinasakay. Number 7, Leon, yung wala. Rebound by George.
Ang uuwi, may gagawin.
Pasto, San Joaquin. San Joaquin, naghahanap ng gawa. Wala, rebound by pinasakay, Mark. Onsepio, pinasakay number 7. Wala, still by San Joaquin. Sinan, oh, lose the ball. Sayang yun, kaibigan.
Hey, sayang!
Oh, ano? Baka mo, ano? Onsepino, pass to number 18. Rumagasa, wala. Rebound by number 7. Divina. 2 points by number 7. Ano ang pinagabot?
Jersey number 13. Tumakbo kasama
San
ko.
Joaquin,
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot. San Joaquin, pass to Mila. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by. Last touch by.
Ivanov's ball.
Pabora.
6 minutes and 7 seconds.
Time remaining. 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12, Manalo. Pass to number 7. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 18. Reverse, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 18 pa rin, Tumira. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin. Ayan na.
Rebound by
5 minutes and 35 seconds.
Sanukin, pass to Milan. Pass to Milan. 2.5 Milan, number
Shot
3.
by jersey number 3. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Headboard. Number 10 pa rin nagpupumilit. Wala pa rin rebound by. Number 12. Long pass to number 19. Easy basket by jersey number 19. Number 11. Bantay sarado ni number. Ayan. Holding foul by jersey number 13. Four minutes and 48 seconds.
Two points by San Joaquin. Oras, oras.
4 minutes and 24 seconds.
Mark, pinasakay number 7. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Dilan. Pass to San Joaquin. San Joaquin, pass to Dilan, number 3. Number 10, Sakuragi. That's Dila, rebounding the ball, pass to
Pinahin mo, yan!
Symbol, symbol, symbol.
last touch by number 12. Same ball. Shot clock. Cortez shot clock remaining. Yun, rebounding the ball. Pinasa kay San Joaquin. Pass to Dila. Pass to Christian. Tumira ng tres. Butas ang pass. It's foul violation by number 11. Mark. Taas kamay, taas kamay.
Paul yun! Ay!
George, for the first time, he is ready to get up. Meron pa daw kayong timeout. Sumunod bitin.
Basket by Fabora. Good shot.
Pabora for the second to one.
Tama mo!
Number 7, rebounding the ball. Pass to number 18, Cody Singh. Pass to number 11, Kylie Jane. Sumalaksak. Nagharap ng kamukha, pinasa kay Mark. Mark, taking the ball, tumira ng tres. Wala. Hangin ang rebound by Christian. Pass to San Joaquin.
Official score, bebe.
San Joaquin, naghahanap ng kakampi. Kaya to shoot. Pass to Dilag. Pass to Pabora. Sumalaksak. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Christian Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by pass to number 10. Pass to number
Ayan, kuha ni number 6.
Still by San Joaquin. Pass to Dilag.
Hindi ba yan na yun?
Dilag, tumira the ball. Pass to
Kali ako sa kalibila.
wala pa rin. Rebound by number 7. Pass to Oy. Last touch by San Joaquin. Shoutout sa mga tropa natin, yung Duanis dyan. Mamaya, wala pa. Number 11, rebounding the ball, pass to Suwako. Sumalaksak, tumira, wala. Suwako pa rin, 2 points by Suwako, number 7. Time out! Team defense.
2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 2 minutes and 46 seconds, third quarter.
2 minutes. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 40 seconds for the third quarter. Next game, get ready. Tunis versus Silvo. Nasaan na yung Silvo dyan?
Paparating na daw.
Ano yung mga tropa natin Silvo dyan? Wala pa, hindi ko makita.
Hanggang na lang kaya tayo.
Pasok, both teams. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 40 seconds for the third quarter. The score is 27-35.
Namang ang defense.
In favor of Team San Joaquin.
Roger! Okay.
Ate Marlene!
Sona Quit, pass to Dilan. Dilan, back to San Joaquin. Naghahanap na ang kamukha. Wala ka, tumira. Wala, pass to Dilan, number 3. Tumira 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Dilan, number. Pass to Dilan, number 3. Pass to Dilan, number 19. Pass to number 7. Tumira pa rin. Rebound by Mike. Kickball. Bola ng Sumanovsky. Half daw, half court. 14 shot clock.
Sana, papalaruin daw tayo. Ang dalawa lang tayo tatapit at takbo. Shoot goal daw yung
Sakuragi, dribble in the ball. Pinasa kay number 18. Fake. Naghahanap na kamukha. Pinat. pinalik kay Sakuragi. Trying to shoot. Walaksak. Pass to Manalo. Tumira ng toss. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Dilag, number 19. Nagpapate. Rumagasa. Wala. Pass to Dilag, number 3. Dilag to Dilag. Tumira ng 3. Butas ang net. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to Kylie Jane, number 11. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Pass to Suwango. 2 points by Suwango, number 7. Dilag, inbounding the ball. Pass to San Joaquin. San Joaquin replacing the play. Pass to number 7. 10 to shoot. Working by Manalo. Pass to Sakuragi. Bisa mo! Pass to Suwango. Tumira. 2 points by Suwango. Dilag, inbounding the ball. Pass to Dilag, number 19. Pass to San Joaquin.
1 minute and
Lumagasa. Who's the rep?
number 7. Number 7, Red.
Suwango.
Third quarter answer.
Third personal ball by Suwango.
Tatlo.
Time remaining.
1 minute and 2 seconds.
San Joaquin for the second try is in. Suwango, pass to still by Dilag, number 19. Time remaining. 1 minute. For that third quarter. Dilag, pass to
52 seconds remaining.
52 seconds. San Joaquin, 10 to shoot. Dilag, tumira. Tapos. Okay. 43 seconds remaining. 43. 43.
14 shot clock. 14 shot clock.
40 shot clock to shoot. Dilag inbounding the ball. Pass to Pabora. Wala. Oh, Pabora.
41 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 41.
41 seconds for the third quarter. Saan ba yun?
Number 10 and number 11. Number 11, 36 seconds.
36 seconds. Kylie Jane, ang may hawak ng bola. Naghahanap ng kamuka.
10
10 to shoot. Pass to Mark. Tumira ng 3. Oy, balto. Rebound by San Joaquin. Pagmamadali. Rumagasa. San Joaquin. Rumagasa. Easy layup. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 11.
10 seconds left.
10 seconds. Pass to Suwango. 2 points.
4 seconds na lang po.
4 seconds. 4, 3, 2. End of the third quarter.
And that's the end of the third quarter. Official score, 37 and 33 in favor of team defense pa rin tayo. Yung walang kapalitan.
Kailan na tsaka kayo magtitipon pa.
Hello. Hawak po.
Pasok po, teams. For the last quarter. Kayo na bola. Rep, kayo na bola, rep.
Pag di ko kakayanin, solo ko.
Ay, screen mo lang kayo dyan. Wala bang KSKD dyan?
Mali mo na lang.
Bago na yung pangarap ko.
Uy, bawal magsansal dyan, Christian. Dilag involving the ball for the fourth quarter. Pass to San Joaquin, pass to Dilag, pass to Dilag again. Sumalaksak. Layup. 2 points by Tanjan. Suaco involving the ball. Pass to Mark. Pass to Mark. Mark, nagharap ang kamukha, pinasa kay Manalo. Manalo, pinalantra, wala, kapos. Rebound by Christian. Christian, pass to Dilag number 19. Pinasa kay Dilag, kapatid. Sumagot. Tinira, wala pa rin. Rebound by San Joaquin, pinasa kay Dilag. Tinira. Block by Mark.
Christian ba yung block?
Wahan! Nice one, John!
Christian,
Nice one,
pinasa kay
John!
Dilag. Who's father?
Nakita mo?
Number 10 daw yung foul, number 10. Pass kamay. Dalawang free throw.
Third personal foul by jersey number 10.
Dilag for the first try. He is in.
Swak na swak ang first draw ni jersey number 3.
Dilag for the second try. Wala. Rebound by Suwanto.
Number 7.
Suwanto, rumagasa. Tumira. 2 points by Suwanto.
Jersey number 7.
Janjan. Right. Ang may dala ng bola. Nagmamadali. Uy, good ball. Tropa, relax lang, tropa. Mahaba pa ang oras. Time remaining, time remaining. Time remaining, 7. Ha? Mark. Gagawin ka kanina. Mark. Sumalaksak. Pass to. Last touch by
Tabor.
37-40. Janjan, nanghihina ng kaibigan ko. Pass to Dilag. 10 to shoot. Dilag to Dilag 10. Wala. Iban by Dilag pa rin. Pass to Christian. Pass to Dilag.
Nagawa ng bebe.
Dilag. Foul by Mark. Kailan yung foul ni Mark?
Foul by jersey number 11. Third personal foul by
Third personal foul by Mark. And third team foul. Third foul na ito. Second personal team foul. Dilag, pass to San Joaquin. Pass to Dilag again. Pass to Christian. Pass to San Joaquin. Pass to Dilag. Pass to shoot. Hey! Christian, Dilag, 2 points by Christian. Balik ko! Mamaya na! Mamaya na! Mamaya na!
ang uwi may gagawin.
Mag-iingat tayo mamaya! Swanto! Binomba! Adri! Mamaya na! Dating sinadaan na! Kasinaan na! San Joaquin!
Patakbo ng bola.
San Joaquin, hinahanap ang kakampi. Pass to Dilag again. Dilag to Dilag 3. Wasak. Pass to Mark. Mark. Spin move. Uy, wala. Rebound by Pabora.
Relax lang daw.
Pass to San Joaquin. Relax ka kasi mainit.
15 to shoot.
San Joaquin, pass to Dilag. Still by
Grabe naman dyan.
Mark. Is right back. Wala.
Tapos foul yun. Tapos yun, foul. Kay.
Ayun, pang foul!
Foul.
Ay, lagi na yan!
4 minutes and 50 seconds. 4 minutes and
Yung tuloy na foul! Kanina hindi na foul!
Sabto mamaya. Substitution rep. Number 12, pasok. Swang to out. Mark for the first try.
Biyahin na yun sila.
Is out.
27.
27. Papora for the first try is out. Sa referee kayo magsabi, sa referee.
Abora?
Papora for the second try. Wala rebound by Manalo. Pass to number 12. Pass to Mark, number 11. To be on address. Wala. Rebound by Mark. Pass to Manalo. Pass to number 12. Ang ganda naman ang paso ng tropa. 2 points by number 12. Dilan. Nagmamadali. Oh, patay tayo dyan.
Kumawala ang bebe kay Dam.
Sub daw, sub rep. Sub. Pasok. Number 7. Number 10 is out.
Defense.
Number 12. Pass to number 11. Kylie Jane. Kylie Jane. Pass to number 12. Pass to Suwako. Suwako. It's traveling violations by Suwako.
Ayan.
Time remaining.
3 minutes and 48 seconds.
3 minutes and 48 seconds for the last quarter. San Joaquin. San Joaquin. Pass to Christian. Christian. Binalik kay San Joaquin. Pass to Dilan. Binalik kay Papora. Relax daw, sabi ni Papora. Pass to San Joaquin. Pass to Christian. It's foul violation by
27 pounds.
Manalo. Oh, Manalo.
3 minutes and 22 seconds.
Warning for penalty.
22 seconds.
Christian, for the first try is in.
Serve for timeout. Team Sabanovsky.
Kayo naman. Christian for the second try. Wala. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to number 2, Burgos. Tinasakay mo. It's foul violation by Janjan. Dilag.
Timeout.
Timeout! Sino timeout time? Si Manopsi. Score is 43-40 in favor of team defense. Wala pa yung silbo? Nung oras to, ano na, mag-aras-dos na. Charis lang siyempre ko.
3 minutes and 13 seconds for the fourth quarter. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Pasok, defense. Free shot po, free shot. Time remaining, anong oras?
3 minutes and 13 seconds.
3 minutes and 13 seconds for the last quarter. 3 minutes. Number 11 for the first try is out.
Mahuhulog sa Team Simanovsky at Team Defense. 3 minuto na lang po ang natitira. Malalaman na natin kung sino ang mahuhulog kagaya ng team ni Kwataw.
Huwag ka naman nakit dyan. Talo na kami. Huwag ka namang tao.
May susunod sa'yo.
Wala. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to Mark. Malaksak. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Tilag. It's foul by number 11. Fourth personal foul. And a fourth team foul. Nag-announce lang po. Nag-announce. Relax lang po. Relax. Ganda na rin ang commentator. Rep. Saglit. Penalty daw, penalty. Warning.
5 seconds.
Dilag. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Swampo. Pasto Onsipido.
Number 10, nagdadala ng Bebe.
Onsipido. Naghanap ng tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Dilag. Keeping the ball. Dilag. Nagmamadali. Sumasak. Dilag. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Dilag pa rin. Tumira. Pasto Dilag. Ang ganda ng technique. Wala pa na. Rebound by Onsipido. Pass to Calde. Onsipido. Pass to number 18. 2 points by number 18.
2 minutes and 19 seconds. 2 minutes and 19 seconds.
2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining.
Minutes and 9 seconds.
10 to shoot.
1 minute and 58 seconds.
Mark. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Tumira. 2 points by Manalo. Christian. Christian pass to Dilag.
Official score, 43 years old. Sumisigaw ang team Simanowski Bebe.
Mark. Pass to Mark.
Shot clock, 14 shot clock. 10
10 to shoot. Swampo. Pass to number 18. Wala. Rebound by Swampo. Wala pa rin. Still by Christian. Pass to Dilag. Lays up. 2 points by Dilag. Mark inbounding the ball. Pass to Mark. Back to Mark again. Onsipido.
57 seconds
Pass to Mark.
remaining for the final
Pass to Manalo.
countdown.
Wala. Rebound by. It's foul by Dilag number 3.
49 seconds. 49 seconds na lang po. This is it. Pansin. Sino ang mahulog? Sino ang sasali sa championship game? 18. Withdraw. Bumpanes. 49 seconds po. 18 again. Good shot.
Time out. Team defense.
Time out. Remaining time, 49 seconds. Deadlock po tayo sa 49 seconds at final countdown. This is it by
The score is all 45.
seconds na lang po natitira. Deadlock po sa final countdown. And back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po.
Pasok both teams. Time remaining. 49 seconds remaining for the last quarter. Dalawang tira na lang yan, mga kapatid.
49 po.
49 seconds for the last quarter. Dinar, inbounding the ball.
Amin na Mark.
Pass to Christian. Christian. Pass to San Joaquin.
40 seconds left.
40 seconds remaining. Pass to Dinar.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Dinar to San Joaquin.
21 seconds.
5 to shoot. Rebound by Schmeichel. Good.
24 seconds.
Pass to Mark. 34 seconds remaining.
Down to 20. 15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by Pabora.
10.
10. 9. 8. Oh, bitangin na, okay. Overtime, overtime.
Okay. Ay, deadlock po tayo. Naabutan ng kampana. Ganyan sana ang ginawa nyo. Ay, nawala ka pa ito po. Rep, ilang minutes yan? Ilang minutes po ang ating overtime? 2 minutes. Ah? 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang. Saktong-sakto. Ay nako, masakit na lalamunan ko. Wala nang pinit. Hanggang makarating ang silbo. Saktong-sakto. Overtime nyo. Shout out sa Hustlex ng Team Dunis. Anong jersey number mo? Lipat naman dyan. Napaka-sexy naman ni Kuya. Hustlex ng Dunis. Aha, aha. Bitin sa tela. Team Dunis. Kaninong araw? 5 minutes. President! President! Ano?
Okay, 5 minutes na, 5 minutes. 5. Para mo yung silkoy.
Okay, gutom na kami. Wala bang lunch break yan?
Ano, 5 minutes?
Bili ka. Ano? Te. Pabili.
5 lang pa, 5.
Sige na, umpisahan na natin. Tapusin ang deadlock na yan. Pagkaalaman na sa mga malalagyan.
Pasok, Montage!
Shout out, Jan Raydan. Sarap-sarap naman daw ng apakas. Ganyan daw ang tsura ng talong team.
Pasok na, pasok!
Ano, ready na ba yung lunch namin ng family dyan? Okay, back to the ball game. Magkakaalaman na kung sinong panalo at sinong hihigop na Champorado.
Jambon, jambon!
Okay, Jumbo Bimbin na big man ng Team Defense at big man ng Team Simonov. Number 7 and number 12. This is it, Pansit. Hi! referee's decision po tayo. Number 19 to number 30.
Dylan, pass to Christian. Reverse, 2 points by Christian. Ang laro nun, kaibigan. Mark, pass to Mark. Pass to number 18. Pass to Mark again. Pass to Ortipino. Uy, turakan nyo.
Five to shoot.
Wala. Oh, it's traveling violation by number 18.
Tumatangay ng bebe.
San Joaquin, nagdadala ng bola. Sumaksak. Uy, wala, sayang. Limang Brian Hart. Nagmamadali din. Wala pa rin. Limang Brian Dylan. Dylan, nagmamadali. Pass mo, kaibigan. And ball play by Dylan, number 3.
3 minutes and 58
All counted down.
3 minutes and 58
Ang
seconds.
next pa, kaibigan.
3 minutes and 58 seconds na lang po.
Dylan for the finish. Wala. Rebound by Suwanto. Pass to Mark. Mark. Naghahanap ng kamukha. Pinasa kay Suwanto. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by Tambora. Pass to Dylan. Dylan, sumalaksak. Wala. Dylan pa rin.
Pero may jump.
Ano ba? Repal. Ako hindi na pa. Di ba pinanti ata? Penalty, rep, penalty, rep. Continue. Relax, kaibigan. Dylan for the first time is 1 point by Dylan.
Ayan na. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Ayan na. Mukhang
Dylan for the finish.
panigurado na.
Rebound by Dylan pa rin.
Okay.
Pass to San Joaquin.
There's the shoot.
Sends on back to shoot.
Down to 5.
Pass to Dylan, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Suwanto. Pass to Mark. Nagmamadali. Pinasa sa isang Mark. Putang pinis ni kaibigan George. George! Punta sa kami ang court. Ito ka maglaro.
3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Yung mga talaga, nagpapalikod na lang sa gilid. Ayun o.
Hoy, Mark! Mark ng defense! Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Time out!
Oh, dyan ka na kasi may mga puti dyan.
Mark, pass to number 18, tumira. 2 points by Mark.
Balik ka rin. Puta na, shout out.
Warning for technical, team defense. Ano ba yan? Nasisilawan sa mga legs kasi.
Hoy!
Mark kasi.
Ba't ka sa likod ka?
Ah.
Ang galing mo, ano mo?
Ano ba yan? Nasisilawan sa mga legs. Ay.
San Joaquin. Naghahanap ng kamukha. Pinasa kay Dylan. Back to Christian. Sibo, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pass to Mark.
2 minutes and 23 seconds.
Pass to number 18. Dilag.
and 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
2 minutes and 15 seconds. For the overtime. Swampo, pass to Mark. Mark. Okay. Number 18. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Papora. Papora. Nagmamalay si Papora. Sayang yun, Papora. Stop na ulit, stop. Manalo comes in.
2 minutes na lang po.
Number 12 is out.
2 minutes na lang po.
2 minutes time remaining for the overtime. Mark, pass to Mark again. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 18. 2 points by number 18.
49-50 in favor of team defense. Isa na lang daw ang lamang.
Time to shoot.
1 minute and 27 seconds.
Time to shoot. 4. Roy, graduate.
Congratulations! Number 11. Congratulations! Isa kang alamat sa araw na to. 1 minute and 11 seconds.
Alapas, manalangin ni ate.
1 minute and 11 seconds remaining for the final panty. May dalawang time out ang defense at isa na lang sa Sigalovsky.
Diaz for the second try is in. Time out. Si Melomsi. Meron pa kayo time out, dalawa. Team defense, stop.
1 minute and 11 seconds. 1 minute and 11
Uy, balik mo
seconds.
dito. Gago, pasok.
May tuwing po dito kung sino pong nangangailangan ng tobe.
Master! Galaw-galaw! Pasok ka!
Hindi ka na makagalaw, Lep-Lep. Tumahimik ka.
Time remaining.
1 minute and 11 seconds. 3-1.
Time remaining, 1 minute and 11 seconds for the overtime. Pasok, Kontin!
Okay, water break is over.
Last 1 minute and 11 seconds for the overtime.
Ganyan pala ang mga ulo ng mga lalaki pag nababasa. Wet look. Alam mo yung kapit-kapit ng ano?
Referee decision, referee.
24 shot clock.
Bola na, defense! Bola ng defense! Ano na ba? Sorry.
Simanovsky. Okay, bola ng mga orangke.
Mark, and take the ball. Pass to number 12. Pass to Suwanto. Good. Rebound by Suwanto. The score is 151. Time remaining.
59 seconds.
59 seconds. Sanoki, regardo ka mukha. Pinasa kay George.
40 seconds left. Pagora.
Pasa!
32 seconds left.
32 seconds! Sira! Yun, 2 points by San Joaquin. 24 seconds for the overtime. 24 seconds. Oy, foul. Sinalubong. Dapat walang foul sana yun. Penalty.
Number 90. Blocking foul by jersey number 90 ng defense.
Penalty ba? Penalty?
Wala pa pong
Wala penalty. Wala.
21 seconds na lang po. 21
21 seconds. Last 21 seconds.
21
21 seconds. 21 seconds. Last 21 seconds. Number 12, rebounding the ball. Pass to Suwango. Suwango. Speed move.
17 seconds.
Tumira. Uy, sayang.
Lumabas. Walang pampadulas. 10
Good.
seconds.
10 seconds remaining.
Pero may pito.
Foul by number 18.
8 seconds. 8 seconds na lang. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na.
8 seconds na lang, mga kapatid. 8 seconds. 8. Search for the first try. Wala. Oh, pagka-pasok, terpalitik.
Isa lang. Pabora daw. Sabi ng katawa.
Pabora for the win. Yes, time out.
Timeout, Team Simanowski.
8 seconds. Remaining na lang po tayo. 8 na lang, 8. 10. Sino kaya ang magwawagi?
Sino kaya ang kasama mong mahuhulog? Ang team!
Kung sino ang matatalo mamaya, sumama sa akin, mag-inom tayo. Sumama kayo sa akin kung sino ang matatalo mamaya. Birthday ni Master. Sino ba yung taas nyo?
Okay, 7 seconds na lang natitira. Okay.
Pasok, all teams. Last 8 seconds remaining.
Sige, mag-overtime tayo hanggat hindi nakakarating ang mga team Silbo. Wala ba?
Para sa silbo!
Dadalawa lang ang team Silbo nyo, Ate Riz. Wala pa yung iba.
Lalaro ka na eh! May mga lose kaming tatlo dito!
Okay, 7 seconds. Ay, 8 seconds na lang po. 8 seconds na lang po.
Last 8 seconds.
Sino kaya ang mananalo?
Panalo. Pass to. 4 seconds remaining. 4.
3 by jersey number 7. 3 points by jersey number 7. 4 seconds na lang po. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Ayan na. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Team Pabora ba o Team Orange?
4 seconds. 4 seconds. May tanong ka ba sila? Wala na.
Sabi na.
Pero,
4 seconds lang po. 4 seconds lang po.
last 4 seconds.
Then na po tayo. Ayan na ang sinasabi ko. Hintayin natin ang Team Silbo. 4 seconds shot clock.
4 seconds at last. Oras, sigaw niya.
Isang alamat ang Team Simonowski at Team Dunis. Walang papatalo, walang uhulog, ayaw mahulog. Ay, Team Defense pala. May ayaw bibitaw. Bitawan ka ng bibitaw. Ay, bumitaw na ang bibitaw. Okay. Roll call tayo ng foul.
Pasok, Botis!
Botis, sige na. Pinapatagal. Yes, another 5 minutes tayo.
Napakaganda po ng ating laban. Double overtime. Full time.
Balik mo minum! Laglag kasi! Ay, laglag ba kayo? Kaya pala!
Okay, ito na.
Jumble again, jumble.
Hindi siya pa.
Diyan, for the rebound. Pasto, Pabora. Pabora, remove. Wala. Rebound by Juanco. Pasto, Manalo. Manalo. Keeping the ball by Manalo. Pasto number 18, Cody Singh. Pasto, Sakuragi. Pasto number 12. Wala. Rebound by Christian.
Pero may pito.
Pero may pito pa yung referee. Continuous yun, continuous. Sino ba nagpag? Rep. Manalo daw, manalo. Manalo. Direct yan.
Third personal foul by jersey number 27.
Christian, kaibigan. For the first line. Ang nga bantog. Ayan, bantog.
Yan kasi ayaw nyo magpalaglag. Kaya
Christian again for the second try.
may uma-arthritis na doon.
Yes, pasok yun na isa kay Christian. Suango, pass to Sakuragi. Pass to Suango again. Tumira. 2 points by Suango.
Good shot by jersey number 7. Number 30.
Suango kid, pass to Dylan.
Number 1.
Malaksa. Pass to Christian. Tumira ng 3. Ang lakas, kaibigan. Last touch by number 18.
Single.
Suango kid, pass to Dylan. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin.
Ang papadula.
Nakuha ng namutin, Dylan. Tumira pa rin ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Suango. Pass to Orsipido.
3 minutes and 48 seconds. 3 minutes and 48 seconds.
Official timeout. Kasi may bola.
Ayan, isa pang time, overtime pa daw mamaya.
Huli. Skill by San Joaquin.
Ayun, number 90.
2 points by Diaz.
Number 80.
Number 18, nagdadala ng bola. Naghahanap ng kamukha, pinasa kay number 12. Fake, pass to Manalo. Fake again. Still again by San Joaquin. Nagpapadali. Still by number 18.
Number 10. Number 10, nagdadala ng Bebe.
Pass to number 18.
Number 12.
Wala. Rebound by Suanto. Pass to Manalo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Pampora.
Low
Pass
pass.
to Christian. Christian. Wala pa rin. Christian again. Last touch by number 10. Napakaganda po ng laban nyo. Double overtime.
2 minutes and 45 seconds. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Ayaw bumitaw. Gustong-gusto pumasok sa championship ang dalawang team na to. Napakaganda naman niya.
Jan, pass to Salmakit. Pass to Jan again. Sinirotret. Wala. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to Mark. Mark. Pass to number 18. Malaksak. It's a traveling violation
Ayan.
by number 18.
2 minutes and 27 seconds. 2 minutes and 27 seconds.
Time out. Si Manopsi.
May isa pa pong time out ang Simonovsky, tapos dalawa sa defense. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Ano? Overtime pa ba ulit? Di pa ba kayong pinupulikan? Di pa ba kayong pagod? Bahala kayo dyan. Sino kaya ang bibitaw? Okay. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Okay. 3. Pass to number 13. 15 to shoot. To number 3. Number 3. Nawala number 10. Nakakuha ni number 18. Number 18 to number 10. Pass to number 12. Good shot by jersey number 12. Napakaserte naman ni All Orange. Number 7 to number 11. Nakawa ng Bebe. Ayan. Nandun to number 10. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Shoot mo, Bebe. Lumalag-talag pare. Ayan na. Ayan na. Walang kasalanan ng puno. Sinabunutan ang puno. Ayan na. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Ayan na. Number 13 to number 11. Number 3. Tumira ng 3. Bumpanin. Okay, get to number 7. Number 7. Looking for receiver. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 18. 18 to number 10. 10 to shoot. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Down to 5. 27. Easy basket by jersey number 27. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Banda si overtime. Number 13. Number 13. Number 3. Gumawa na ng threat. Swerte ngayon ang orange na. Number 12, number 18. Pass to, ayan, bakit. Ayan na. Kaya team defense. Remaining time, 1 and 3 seconds. 1 and 3 seconds. Official score, 62-57. Official score, 62-57. Mukhang panalo ang All Orange. Mula ulo hanggang paa ni Kuya number 12. Ayan na. Orange ang buhok, orange ang suot, orange din ang sapatos. Ano na rin ang prep mo, Kuya? Orange, orange ang buhok. Ayan na. Naka-raw black si Kuya number 12. Opo, 1 minute na lang po. May bibinggo na may bibinggo na. May kasali na sa team ni Detlef. Malakas ang hatak ni jersey naman ng Dunis sa mga jersey short nila.
Asa na kayo?
14 shot clock. 14 shot clock. 1 minute and 3 seconds. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. 10 to shoot. 58 seconds. Tumira ng trap. Sila. Wala. Oh. Basket ka. Call by jersey number 7. Ayan na. Basket bounce na naman. Pabora. Natayo daw ang swerte. Pabora, pabora. 51 seconds na lang po ang natitira. 51. Huwag nyo na naman sabihin. Na naman tayo. Ayun! 48 seconds. 48 seconds. Wala pa. Warning pa lang po. 48 seconds. 48 seconds. Deadlock na. Huwag nyo na naman sasabihin, oy, sagot ng ating lalamunan. Maawa kayo. Number 10. Si number 7. Ang lakas ng energy drink. Si number 7. Batang may laban. Si number 7. Bola. Dalawa daw lamang, sabi ni Ivy. Number 13. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 7. Isa kang malaman. Congratulations, jersey number 7. Ayan na, matira-matibay. Apat na lang versus 5. Number 3 for the free throw. Shoot by jersey number 3. 33 seconds po. 33 seconds po. Huwag nyo lang iyosi ha. Number 3. Good shot by jersey number 3. Walang pa count out. 30 seconds na lang. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Twenty-three seconds po. 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Ako?
23 seconds. 23.
23 seconds. Deadlock po na naman.
15.
50 seconds na lang po. Down to 10 seconds na lang po. Pero may speed o. Si jersey number 80. Ano ba yan?
6 seconds.
6 seconds na lang po remaining. Pagod na po ang lalamunan ng announcer nyo.
Kulang lang yan sa bear! Kulang lang sa bear! Ayopin mo dyan!
Ayan na.
Ito lang, malapit ang
6
bear sa akin na!
seconds na lang po. Ayan!
Nice one! Big boy!
Meron pa. Di ba lang time out? Six seconds na lang po.
Hawak mo ang beat!
Six seconds. 6 seconds na lang po. 6 seconds na lang po. Na natitira. Number seconds na lang. 3 seconds na lang. Seconds, sir. Ayan na. Sino kaya ang bibitaw? Atensi, dapat pariyak? Dapat pariyak? Nabutin? Uray may isa. Okay! Let's go, kapatyaw. Okay. 3 seconds na lang po tayo. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, team! Congratulations, team defense! Ayan, ang ganda naman ng shoot, ay, ng laban. Okay. Magde-declare po kami ng oras para sa Team Silpo. 15 minutes lang po ang dinedeclare ng committee para sa Team Silpo. Dapat mabuo na po yung team ninyo. Oh, bonus pa daw yan kasi 2 overtime po. Ang sexy naman, shout out sa mga sexy duties dyan. Ang sexy ng uniform.